Welcome to React Native How-To. Today we are going to add functionality to our text input, which will allow to present an error message and highlight which text input has a problem. Let's go. So we have our text input, and now we will be thinking about building, let's say, a login screen. And when user is using a login screen, we often want to inform user if something is okay or not okay with the information user provided to the input. So, for example, if someone will try to use login screen and try to log in without having anything typed in, we would like to inform user that something is missing. So please maybe add the email or login. And now we're going to add that directly to our text input. So we have everything in one control and we can use it in a nice and clear way. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, let's think about how we have that constructed over here. So we already have our clear text functionality. We have secure text functionality, and we should follow the pattern and basically add the error text, or maybe no, differently. We will do is error, and if the property is true, we will display an information to the end user. And let's do it. So we have our input in here. This is a row actually. So to make sure we have something underneath our text input, we should wrap it with additional view, which is another row, and we will add over here text error. Very nice, it's underneath. So first thing is over here. We'll add a check if the error should be visible or not. So we will pass the error as one of the props. We already added a custom prop in here. Let's add another one. We can have, for example, is error, and let it be bool. So we will define true or false. And what else we will need? We will need definitely a text which we want to present. So I would say error text, and that will be a string. So we have two new properties. Let's take this one and use it over here. So if it's it's props. If it's available and if it's true, show the error message. If not, then don't show anything. Let's see what's gonna happen over here. All right, I mixed up a little bit, not a problem. Fixing. All right, so nothing is present in here. Let's take the error text and add it in here. So when we provide the error text, we will see it in under our component. So if error true, nothing. Why? Because we haven't provided any text. Error text, error. Nice. All right, so what else can we do with it? Of course, we need to style it a little bit because it's not looking very nice. Error style, I would say should be red, because red always indicates there's something not right. Take it here, styles. All right, that doesn't, no, styles, error. All right, so it's red. Of course, we need to add some padding to it, or a margin. I'll add padding 16. That looks better because at least it's aligned with the text input in here. So should be all right like that. Bold? No, we don't need it bold. Font size, that should be okay. I think we could try another element. So basically when the error is active, we could indicate information with text, but we could indicate that something's not right strictly with this text input by changing the border color to red as well. That will, I think, make it more prominent that we do have a problem in this specific text input. So let's take it in here and border color. And if we have that, red, no. All right, doesn't like that. All right, no, cannot be null. So let's get back to gray. Yeah, is that okay? That's okay for it. Still indicates that it's an inline style, but we're using this. We could try change it like that. So only add this specific style if the error occurs, and if not, then just use the default style. Let's do it. False, nice, true, great. And of course, we have to provide those two parameters with our own logic. We're going to use that later on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like the video and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. If you have any specific requests, just post in a comment, and see you next time.